All right, we're going to create ISO number 11 now. I'm going to start off, it looks kind of like an L shape from the front, so I'm going to start off with a sketch on the front plane. And I'm going to create an L shape by doing, I could do lots of different things, but I'm going to go ahead and just do a line. I'm going to go from here to there, down, over, down, back. All right, notice that it did some of that stuff for me. I might have to use some constraints and get those a little bit closer to how I want them, but I think I got lucky on this one. All right, so the overall height is going to be 6 centimeters, and I kind of want to bring that over. There we go. All right, so that's 6. This is 4. This is 2. And this is, oh man, I think it's 10. It's 4, 6, 8. It's actually 11, it looks like. All right. So that should be my first sketch. That's looking pretty good. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to extrude that. It's 4 blocks wide, 4 centimeters. So we got that. All right, now I can start doing some work on this top piece right here first. So I'm going to make a new sketch. And I've got 2 different things I want to do. I'm going to make a center point circle, and I'm going to make 2 of them actually. So I'm going to start there and go out, and then I'm going to start there and go out again. All right, just for now. And then I need to establish where that point is, so I'm going to do some dimensioning here. All right, and I need from here to that point to be 1, 2, 3, 4 units, 4 centimeters. And I need from here to that point to be 2. All right, that should be pretty good. And then I need to dimension this circle. Should be a diameter of 2 units. And this one should be a diameter of 4 units. Just like that. All right, so I'm going to leave that sketch. Turn it a little sideways there. Do some extrude features. So start with that right there. That needs to be removed. And it needs to be done all the way through. And that and that as well. So I can actually get all those in the same one. All right, so there's that piece right there. And now I want to create a slot. So I need to make a new sketch on there. Okay, and you'll actually notice that there is a slot tool. This one's pretty cool. Or it can be. I bet I need to make points first. All right, so let me make 2 points. I'm going to make one there and one there. And I'll put those where they need to be. I'll dimension those first. So from here to there, that needs to be 2 units. And from here to there, that also needs to be 2 units. Well, I could do that by just making them horizontal. That would have been a better idea, but I didn't. The reason I would want to do horizontal is because just in case I want to make them in the same, or I need to change something about the part, it's better if I keep those horizontal from each other. All right, that distance to the center of that one needs to be 2 units. And then the distance from here to that one needs to be, what's that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 units. Okay, there's that. Let's see if I can use that slot tool now. Oh, it's not letting me do it. I apparently don't know how to use that slot tool. Maybe, oh, let me, got another idea here. What if I made a line? If I made a line that went from there to there. All right, now let's try it. What if I tap on that and then I hit slot tool? Hey, check it out. All right, so the diameter of that needs to be 2 units. And that's everything. I got my slot. Oh, dang it. There's another piece that I'm missing.
Attention students and staff. John Peckinpah, could you please dial extension 12100? John Peckinpah 12100. Thank you.
All right. All right, so here's how you do a slot. We have that line created. So now I just want to create a slot on that line. And that's, oh. All right, so I had to define, I'm going to go really far back here. All right, in order to make a slot, I need to first create a line segment. So I'm going to go from there to there. All right, and I'm going to define that. So I'm going to make sure that, let's see, turn that off. Let's make sure that that and that are parallel with each other. And let's make sure that that distance is 2 units. And that distance needs to be 3 units. And then, try some out here. Okay, that thing can still move. So then the next thing I need to do is define that distance right there to also be 2 units. All right, so now it's all set. So now I'm going to select that and I'm going to make a slot. All right. Right now it says tap background to finish the slot, but you'll notice that I have a diameter listed here. I need that diameter to be 2 units long or wide, which it is. Now I tap the background and there's my slot. All right, so I'm going to check mark that sketch. Got a nice looking slot there. I'm going to extrude that slot. I'm going to remove. I'm going to make sure that it's going through all. Check mark. All right, I've got that. I got one last thing to do. I could have done this by creating a circle, but I'm going to go ahead and do something even crazier. I know, crazy. I'm going to make a fillet on this one and this one. And that radius needs to be 2 units. And there is the rest of it.